This screw is used to attach the blade guard to your saw. The screw has a wide head and is specially designed for securing the guard. It has thread lock pre-applied so it doesn't vibrate out. If you have lost this special screw, it is important that you replace it with the correct OEM replacement to ensure your guard is attached properly. Installing the screw is simple, and I'm going to show you how. The guard is secured with 2 screws, one on the back of the guard and one on the front. For safety, it's important that both screws are present and tight. I'll be replacing the screw at the rear of the guard. The screw uses a torque screwdriver. I'll go ahead and remove it. And now I can install the new screw. The new screw comes with thread lock already applied, so I can just thread it right into the saw. And now the saw is ready for safe use.